Hello, fellow pumpkin fiends. Do you ever eat your spiced pumpkin treats with sweet chocolate? If you haven't tried it, let me convert you with this vegan pumpkin chocolate swirl pie. Don't worry, just bake it. For the pie crust, cube the butter and leave it in the fridge to chill, or place in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Then measure out the water and the vinegar and place it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Measure out the flour and salt and let that chill in the fridge. Once all of the ingredients are pretty cold, immediately place the flour, salt, and cubed butter into a food processor. Drizzle in the cold water and vinegar and pulse until the dough just comes together. Finish the dough on the table. Be careful not to overmix it. Form it into a puck. Cover the dough and let it rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Flour your surface again, then take the dough and begin to roll it out. To prevent sticking, rotate the dough 90 degrees after every few passes. Once the dough is about 1/8 inch thick, gently roll it onto your rolling pin and then onto your pie tin. Adjust the dough as needed. Gently press the dough against the sides of the pie tin and then trim the edges. Place the pie tin in the fridge while you make the filling. Make the pumpkin pie filling by mixing the brown sugar, salt, ginger powder, allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, and cornstarch or arrowroot together. Take some pumpkin puree and mix it with some coconut milk, vanilla extract, and maple syrup. Add in the brown sugar mixture and whisk together until smooth. Reserve some of the pumpkin pie batter for the chocolate swirl. For the swirl, first chop up and melt some unsweetened dark baking chocolate. Add in the reserved pumpkin pie batter and mix well. Stir in some coconut milk. Finally, add in the cocoa powder. Mix well until there are no large clumps left. The mixture will be runny. Pour the pumpkin pie batter into your pie crust and smooth it out. Add small dollops of the chocolate mixture on top of the pumpkin batter and swirl it around with a knife. Don't overdo it, or you will lose the swirl effect. Add any other decorations to your pie. Bake the pie at 365 degrees Fahrenheit or 185 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Then let it cool for about 2 hours before serving, and enjoy. This pie is creamy, crunchy, spiced, and sweet. A very well-rounded dessert to indulge in. Did you love it? If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more seasonal treats. Thank you for watching.